Hello, guys. How are you? Welcome to the best of everything reviews. Please subscribe my channel. Betting Gods, a network of profitable sports tipsters. Receive free horse racing tips from pro tipsters. Join 100k plus growing members who receive expert previews and predictions every day. Featured tipsters are top performers in October. These are 3 of the best performing pro tipsters on the Betting Gods network so far in October, all of whom come highly recommended. Why not check them out yourself? If, however, you'd prefer to browse the full range of Betting Gods tipsters, then visit our overview page or check out our comparison table, how Betting Gods are different to the rest. Extensive vetting. Every Betting Gods tipster undergoes our stringent 16-week vetting period before they go public on the network. Cancel anytime. We're only happy if you're happy, so if you want to cancel, then just let us know and we'll do so with no questions asked. Attainable results. We guarantee that odds are available with at least 2 bookies, don't take bog prices, and do include Rule 4 deductions. Industry-leading support. We provide support via email, live chat and through the members area, giving you plenty of ways to get in contact. Not hidden away. Betting Gods is a public company with head offices in Malta. We're not hiding away behind a computer screen. Get started today for only £7. Receive expert tips. Your first 15 days are only £7. 30-day money back guarantee. Go to link in description. All the best.